Hi everyone, we're here at 6907 Calle De Caballero in the Robledal subdivision. This house is going to be just over 1,900 square feet with 4 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. It was built in 1995, but you do have a roof that was just replaced in 2022, as well as an HVAC that's less than 5 years old. So let's go ahead and take you guys inside. Right upon entry to the right, you're gonna have what we would assume would be a formal dining room here, because it is right off the kitchen. And you do have those luxury vinyl floors and some cathedral ceilings as well. So very beautiful upon entry. And then moving forward, we're also going to walk straight into our living room. As you can see there is a fireplace right in the center of the home, which I think is an amazing touch. And again, with those vinyl floors through the living room as well. So we will definitely be checking out the enclosed patio, but first I want to take you guys to the right wing of the house, as that's going to have the kitchen and the master bedroom all to itself. So here is our kitchen here. We do have tiled floors in the kitchen and laundry room. You can see that there is some granite countertops in here, that undermount sink with the stainless steel faucet, as well as the double door fridge and freezer with that ice maker and water dispenser. Love that. And then on the opposite side, you do have a pantry, as well as a built-in microwave and a flat top, smooth surface electric oven and stove. Beautiful. This is going to be considered a breakfast bar space. I'd say you could probably fit about 2 stools there comfortably. And then here you do have enough room if you want to make this an eat-in kitchen. You could definitely put a table and some chairs or benches there as well. So moving along to the right, we are going to have our laundry room space. That's where your washer and dryer hookups will be. And then this is going to be your entry point to the 2-car garage. So there we are here, 2-car garage. And then just right across the way is going to be the primary. Once we get into the bedrooms, all bedrooms are going to be carpeted. So here in the primary, you've got 2 windows, but you also have sliding glass doors that will go out to the enclosed patio. There's a little sneak peek of the bathroom. And then there are those sliding glass doors that'll head out to the patio. So coming into the master bathroom, this is really just suited to the dines. We've got that double vanity, granite countertops that do match what is in the kitchen, as well as some very nice vanity lighting. And then here you've got a insanely spacious garden tub and a separate shower right there, enclosed with that door. And then your toilet's going to be just on the other side of that wall. So it's not completely closed off, but you do have a slight partition for privacy. This is going to be the master walk-in closet. You do have wire shelving, but you also do get a wood built in there. So definitely enough room to get creative in here, and that's going to be tiled as well. All right. So we'll kind of go through these glass doors here, and then I'll show you the left wing of the home. So coming out here, this is going to be the enclosed back patio. You can see there is a ceiling fan back here. And then this is just stunning views of your pool and backyard. I'd say this is a perfect spot for couches or entertainment areas, extra space. If you have children, you could also make this like a little outdoor playroom. Or you can definitely put a dog door out here so your animals can get in and out if you would like that as well. So lots of options for that enclosed patio. And then here we are into your fully screened in pool. So fully screened in here, you've got 2 points of access to the backyard. There's the pool there, so beautiful. And then just panning around, you've got so much greenery here. You've got palm trees, magnolia trees. You even can see there you've got a fire pit, which I think is a lovely touch. And then all the plants in the back, it just makes for a little bit more of a secluded feel, which I really enjoy. And come spring and summertime, those plants are going to be flourishing. So you can also see back there, you do get a shed on property. That could be a workshop space, or you could put lawn tools there. So really can get creative on the outside as well. Your lot to your backyard is going to be fenced in, but as you can see, it is not a privacy fence, but it definitely will stay completely enclosed if you do have, again, children, animals, or you just enjoy having that fenced off backyard for your leisure. Okay, I'll take you guys back inside, and we'll actually go through the doors that lead into the living room that I showed you guys in the beginning. All right, so coming back through, we'll show you guys the left wing of the house now. This is gonna have 3 of the 4 bedrooms, and then your last final full bathroom. So this is gonna be our first bedroom on the left side of the house. You do get those double pull accordion doors right there for your closet, and you will have wire shelving in there as well. I'll open it up and let you guys take a look. So wire shelving at the top, and it does go fairly deep, and it's lengthy as well. So good storage space, and we're moving along. Immediately outside of that bedroom, you do have your final full bathroom here. This one is going to be a single vanity, and you can see there we've got some good vanity lighting, and then it's going to be a built-in shower and tub duo in this bathroom. So very versatile for your second and final full bath. And again, bathrooms are going to be tiled and bedrooms are going to be carpeted. All right, moving through, we'll hit our 3rd bedroom in the house. Again, you've got a nice large window. This is going to be a front view. And then this one is going to be a single pull door for your closet. And you do get some nice vaulted ceilings in here. So I love that touch. I think that's really nice to just open up the room a little bit. And then lastly, this is going to be our final bedroom. Again, matching window as the one we looked at previously, but you are going to get double doors for your closet in here. There you go, beautiful. And 2, if you don't need this much bedroom space, obviously you can turn these rooms into an at-home office or a recreational area. So you can definitely get creative with the amount of space that this home offers and provides. Again, this is going to be 6907 Calle De Caballero in the Robledal subdivision in Navarre, Florida. We would absolutely love for you guys to come check this one out.